I'm Steve from Motion Source. I'm a producer here. I've been with the company about 5 or 6 years. We're a full-service video production company. We do a lot of corporate commercial work, occasionally music video, quite actually a bit of nonprofit work as well. So we send crews all over both the United States and some international travel, but primarily we shoot in the United States, pretty much all over the country. We're taking the production van, load it up with all the gear we need for whatever the guys need to do, and send a crew out and get what the client needs. They keep everything in the van: lighting, camera, grip gear, stands, tripods. I mean, basically everything they need to get the job done. If we're doing a shoot, especially if we're traveling for a shoot, we've got clients flying in from out of town sometimes. We've got talent coming in. We've got makeup artists. We've got crew. If the van gets broken into and all our gear gets stolen, that shuts down not only production, it could shut down the company until that equipment is replaced. So the van came with an alarm, which is good. We also had somebody install like a bulkhead barrier that kind of, if you did break into the cabin of the truck, you wouldn't be able to access the cargo area. We've got this big barrier up. And we were really confident with that, but we wanted that kind of extra level of insurance and security of having the Thunderbolt, just so the back doors were extra secure. It was just, the van did come with security. We just wanted a little bit additional peace of mind, on a shoot. So we like the Thunderbolt locks because it's a deadbolt lock system, and it's also kind of like a camouflage system. You can't really see where the lock is in the door. A lot of vans come with like those puck locks, so you can kind of see from the outside, and from the research we've done, we've seen that those are pretty easy locks to get through. So we thought this was a more secure system because it's essentially a deadbolt lock, keeping everything in the van, nice and secure.